French-Parisian-born artist Lucy is currently living in Melbourne and has established a strong reputation in the Australian street art community. Her work moves between large-scale public murals, gallery work, tribal ornaments and bespoke fashion. She's been painting murals and exhibiting in France, the US, Canada, Thailand, Australia and the UK. Her paintings capture the evolving folklore of the feminine, exploring the diversity and boundaries of heritage. Whether a sovereign queen, a mystic sorceress, a youthful muse, or a charismatic lady, all share in the art and privilege of being a woman. More recently, Lucy has been exploring the concepts of presence and perception through imaginary masks enfolding women portraits. The concealing veneers echo with the idea that rarely oneself is entirely present or is able to see reality as it is. Her work has been exploring for the last few months around the theme of dreaming, more specifically the concept of lucid dreaming and hypnagogia. The mural she completed for the Big Picture Fest in 2019 is based on that theme. The dreamy landscape and the elements of travels in distant places reflect the idea of inward exploration that can go as far as a cosmos expedition. The whimsical girl wrapped in her bedquilt symbolises the transition between the states of wakefulness and sleep. This phase is called hypnagogia. She still hangs on a physical element of her bed while she starts drifting into other realms. She represents the dreamer we all are, and the lucid dreamer we can all become.